So I want to talk about dread without having to rationalize or study it so much, but not without poetry, because what is dread if it's not for poetry? How clearly do you see or do you see dread at all? Do you wake up and see that gaping hole? Not a peeping hole, at least for me, it's no longer a peeping hole. I see a gaping black hole. And don't get me wrong, it doesn't stop being fascinating to me, which is why I'm just that dogged fool that is given the abyss, and my first instinct is to jump right in and dig further. And they're screaming at me, they're saying there's no gold, but I want to dig. And when I'm tired digging, I sit inside of it. Is dread to you a weight on the chest, on the heart? Or is it that uncomfortable feeling in your stomach? Or is it just a headache? Is it just headedness? What is it to you? Aren't black holes fascinating to you? Not in the scientific sense of, okay, what happens inside of it, but I am more capable of perceiving what language has failed to contain and express ever since I sat with my dread. Those people who ask you, those systems that ask you, those mechanisms that ask you to be a powerful manifester, ask you to visualize. And this is probably relatable to a lot of people, but how do you manifest with immaculate delusion when everything is collapsing around you, when the walls are caving in? Funny thing, only humans would be able to do it, so I don't see why we would surrender and accept defeat to the question of how. I write, and I have a Substack blog. But it's funny, lately, the very, very few likes I get, they're from bots and AI, whatever it's called, the AI accounts. And I wonder why. Like, it makes sense if they're trying to get a follow back. But it's like the AI is kind of showing me love. I'm pretty sure there's no person behind it, and maybe other people are also finding that the AI chatbots or AI bots are actually liking. But here is my delusion. In a world where I'm rather indifferent about seeking approval from humanity or people, while standing up with placards and hoardings that say fuck AI, here is my reality where AI is actually randomly liking the stuff I write. I wonder why. I wonder. It's a bewildering reality, right? It's insane. The things that are happening. They say you should have the capacity to look at your life and every life from the outside. That capacity is a curse. It's a crazy curse. It's incredible. It's incredible just. Slowing down. And I'm not saying the same old thing where you say you should stop to look at the flower. I am saying stop and look at the dying flower. Stop and acknowledge the decay that's happening to you. You know, take a whiff of your own skin. Apparently hair is actually dead. Poetically, hair is death. Hair is dead cells, and what does it smell like, I wonder? I imagine people have forgot to smell the hair of their loved ones. Watch flower die. In a way, you could say it dies anyway. Whether you pluck or whether you don't pluck it, it dies anyway. Are humans, no matter what it does, no matter how it uses its brain, no matter how they navigate life, are humans just flowers and plants and trees? No, but there's a loudness to it, there's a rush to it. Melancholy is beautiful, melancholy is slow, it's wet. And trust me, if you dwell in it long enough, you will have reasons to taste and see that there's something very nice about it. It's like a drug. Melancholy has a high.